How to check credit score on Scotiabank. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for Scotiabank. Once you're in the official site of Scotiabank, click on Sign In at the very top. Enter your login credential and then click on Sign In. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Once you're in this page, head over to My Updates. In here, move into TransUnion Credit Score. At the bottom, you can see Credit Score History. Click on it. And here you can see your account's Credit Score History. Once done, now go back and head over to Credit Score Report. Choose the account of which you want to see the credit score report. And there you go, this is the credit score report of your account. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.